No, that's regular guitar. You blew it? No. I can always pick it up again.
I told a person today, said how freaking cold it was in the rain, and I go,
Yeah.
Bruce Marshall has a song.
That's right.
April Rain.
And I'm going to play it right now. Denise has been asking me to play this song. A lot of my good friends know that I despise April in New England. That is my one absolute, like uncomfortable moment. You know what I mean? I'm a winter guy, so winter's over. I hate the rain. I don't know about you, but I had my heat at 90 today, and it was still cold. That was more than I had it in February. I don't know what it is about April in New England, man. I'm telling you, I couldn't get warm. It was like
Great song.
It's 41 out, I'm freezing.
So I wrote the song about it. So this is probably one of the most down and depressing songs you'll ever hear me play. One of mine that I never do. But,
You know, the one thing you can
all right, we'll see. This is called Cold April. These days I feel like I fall to the depths of despair. Pain and heartache sums my life up lately. Mother Nature's cruel, sometimes she's not fair. There's big black clouds looming upon the horizon, and I'm mad at the sun for refusing to shine. You know it just ain't that easy. Wondering if I got the will to survive this darkness all around me. And the changing of the seasons keeps me sane. I hate a cold April rain pouring down sideways and always choose me to the bone. I hate a cold April rain, always treading water. It's a time that I don't fare too well. In a cold April rain, living life inside of a tunnel. Summer's near and the road is clear ahead. I hope and I pray that brighter days will soothe my soul. All my cares become a thing of the past, but there's only so much we control in our lives. The rest just don't come easy. Wondering if I got the will to survive this darkness all around me. And the changing of the seasons keeps me sane. I hate a cold April rain pouring down sideways and always choose me to the bone. I hate a cold April rain, always treading water. It's a time that I don't fare too well. In a cold April rain. And I'm mad at the sun for refusing to shine. You know it just don't come easy. Locked in a house with no will to survive. It's darkness all around me. The changing of the seasons keeps me sane. Oh, the changing of the seasons keeps me sane. Don't you know the changing of the seasons keeps me sane. I hate a cold April rain pouring down the sideways and always choose me to the bone. I hate a cold April rain, always treading water. It's a time that I don't fare too well. In a cold April rain.
Yeah.